Today we're going to make something amazing here. We're going to make a jeep out of these 4D gummy blocks. Are you excited?
Yes!
Okay, let's do this.
One,
1, 2, 3.
So we have one bag of 4D gummy blocks and wheels, one how-to guide, and one set of background
So first,
card.
we should put this parang background niya. So dito natin ilalagay yung foundation ng ating jeep. Okay?
So I let Ate Pia to start building the blocks para maging independent siya and mailabas din yung kanyang creativity. This is an easy activity for kids and moms. And did you know that 4D gummy is the newest way to enjoy delicious play and bonding with your loved ones? It is the first and only gummy brand that you can build like blocks, gaya nitong ginagawa namin. And I like the idea na in-incorporate nila yung pagka-Filipino natin, yung jeep. Di ba yung mga jeep natin, they have vibrant, multicolored paint jobs and flashy decor. So, over the years, naging symbol siya ng pagiging Pilipino natin, ng Pilipinas. So, napaka-interesting nitong activity to kasi makakagawa ka pala ng jeep out of gummy blocks. And no pressure talaga tong activity to because you can be creative and do your own version. So, I encourage your kids to experience making this one and introduce the 4D Gummy Build-Your-Own-Jeepney Play Kit. Ayan, patapos na tayo. Inilagay na natin yung headlight and then yung parang karatula niya sa taas.
Hope you enjoyed this video and let your kids play the 4D gummy Build Your Own Jeepney. Did you enjoy our activity?
yes, it's super fun and you can eat it after.
So it's available on supermarket. So till our next video, like,
share, and subscribe. And give us a big thumbs up.
bye-bye!
Bye!
Vroom.
Blueberry.